In this video, I will show you how to add a chart into your PowerPoint presentation and how to change the values within the chart. First, you want to go to Insert in the ribbon and here you pick Chart. You will be presented with an array of possible charts. In this video, I will add a column chart and you want to double click to add the chart. When you add the chart, a mock Excel document will open. The values and titles in the chart will represent the values within the Excel document. I am making a chart to show fitness training over a certain period of time for 4 people. You want to add the names to the red boxes, and as you can see, there are only 3 spots to put names in. You can just continue in the cell next to it with the names. The graph will automatically update. Now, let's look at the purple box. This can also represent change within values. I will be adding dates, but I only need 3 dates, and there are 4 possibilities. To delete this date, you right click on the number of that row and you click on delete. And now it's time to add data. For example, when I look at cell B2, I can add value to that cell for Joris on the 1st of June. You want to add values that only contain numbers. Because this chart represents the time it took to run 10 kilometers, I will be adding 1 hour and 10 minutes, which equals to 70 minutes. And now you can fill in all the other values. After you've added your values, you can close down this mock Excel document. To change the chart title, you want to double click on it, and now you can just edit the title. When you click on the chart, you can go to chart design in the ribbon, and here you can pick a design that fits your presentation or make a design from scratch. This is also the place where you can edit values by going to edit data. If you want to add more chart elements, for example more grid lines, trend lines or axis titles, you can click on add chart element and here you can pick what you want to add. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.